so slow.
Oh, the Gup F isn't so bad, Kwazii. Keep pedaling. I think we're really starting to pick up some speed.
Speed? Just wait until I'm back in the Gup B. I'll show you speed.
There they are. Pedal.
We'll never catch up to them in this thing, Captain. Whoa! What was that?
Kwazii, let's not get distracted.
We're coming up fast behind you. You'd better move along.
Who do these speedy show-offs think they are?
We're Sailfish.
Pacific sailfish, the fastest fish in the ocean.
They have to be fast to herd sardines like that. Watch. Look how they work together to get them all in a tight group.
Are my eyes playing tricks on me? Or are they changing colours?
They seem to change colours when they get really excited.
Check out the old shipwreck. I wonder how fast that baby can go.
Yeah, probably about as fast as a sleeping sea snail.
Oi! Who are you calling a sleeping sea snail? Get back here!
Hold on, Kwazii. They might be able to help us.
Help us?
The only other thing I've seen move as fast as they do is the Gup B. Hello, a Sailfish. We were wondering if you could help us find our missing ships.
Sorry, fellas, but we're in a hurry. We're following the sardines up the coast.
Ah, forget about these slow coaches, Captain.
Slow coaches?
I just don't think they're fast enough to help us.
I suppose you're right, Kwazii. They probably couldn't keep up with the Gups anyway.
Good one, Captain. Now they want to prove how fast they are.
Couldn't keep up. You've got to be kidding.
We're the fastest things in the whole ocean. We'll find those ships.
Grab onto those sails, guys. Let's go. Fast enough for you back there?
Ha 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 ha! Aye, matey!
Ha! I like this guy.
There they are, straight ahead. Follow those Gups.
We'd better split up and herd them into a tighter group.
Jumping jellyfish! The eels are getting out of the water and travelling on land.
Let's investigate.
Look at them wriggle right over the mud and dirt.
That's fascinating. Eels can breathe air for a short time, so they can leave the water and go over land if they have to. Nothing stops them on their way up the river. Nothing! Ooh.
Help! Help!
Did somebody say something?
Help!
Where are you?
Down here!
Hello there. Are you stuck?
Yes, and I really need to get out.
Can you grab onto this, matey?
Yes, go on. Pull me up and please hurry.
Did you fall into that hole, little eel?
Yes, I did. If there's a hole in the ground, I'll be the one eel who falls into it. So, thanks very much for getting me out, but I really have to be on my way. Oh, ow, ouch! Oh, my tail hurts. I can't move.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. My friends are getting farther and farther away, and now my tail's hurt. I can't even wiggle. I'll never catch up to my friends like this.
We can help you.
Really?
Of course. We are the Octonauts.
What seems to be the trouble?
It's my tail. It hurts so much I can't move.
You need a bandage.
That was fast. It feels better already. Thanks.
You're welcome.
And now I've really got to get going.
You need to rest for a while.
Oh, I can't rest. Must keep moving. Gotta catch up to me friends.
Captain, he's not strong enough to make a long swim up the river. I'm afraid he'll never make it to the lake on his own.
We'll make sure he's not left behind.
Oh, I may need a little help getting back in the water.
We'll give you more than a little help.
Aye, we'll take you all the way to the lake.
Oh, thanks.
It won't be easy, but we'll swim up the river just like the eels and make sure our friend gets to the lake safe and sound.
Aye, aye,
Ready.
Captain.
Let's go.
Oh, and one more thing. We'll need the smallest life belt we've got. Octonauts, let's do this. That water's too rough to swim over, and those rocks are too high. This will take some teamwork. Think you can get this to the top, Kwazii?
No problem, Captain. Got it. Grab a hold. No! The seaweed! It's gone! Wet, gooey salt! Aha! Now that's a clue! Octonauts! I need some help! Something's got me!
We need backup!
Come on, quick. Let's get out of here.
Tweak, open the octa-hatch. Octonauts, let's follow them.
Follow who, Captain? We don't even know what these seaweed snatchers look like.
All we saw was a tail.
Let's just think this through. What do we know about them?
Well, there must have been a few of them because we saw a lot of footprints.
Aye, and don't forget all that slimy salt on the floor.
And the long, scaly tail. Just like the iguanas in Dash's pictures.
Well, but they can't be iguanas. Iguanas don't swim in the ocean, do they?
Wait a minute. Iguanas? Galapagos Islands? Missing seaweed? Of course! Marine iguanas!
Marine iguanas?
Yes, marine iguanas are a special kind of iguana who only live in the Galapagos Islands. They're also the only kind of iguanas who can swim, and their favourite food is seaweed.
But what about the salt?
The seaweed they eat is very salty, so they sneeze out the extra salt.
Good job, Shellington. At least now we know who we're after.
And there they be! Let's get those marine iguanas and find out what they've done with our seaweed.
Octonauts, hold on.
Yikes! Some blue thingy came out of the big orange thingy, and now it's coming after us.
We gotta get out of here, fast!
It's getting closer.
They're trying to lose us in the seaweed.
Hang on, we're going in.
Sometimes you find them, and sometimes you don't.
But this one needs our help.
Well, if we don't find Captain Barnacles and the others, we're gonna need help too.
Righto. Let's stick together. I'll look for the shark, while you look for the Octonauts.
Shellington, have you seen Peso or Kwazii?
No, just lots of glowing fish. And no little shark either.
Peso, Kwazii, come in. Their radios must not be working. I hope they're not lost. We'd better... Oh, what is that?
Wait for me, Captain.
A tiny shark.
Oh, thank goodness you saw my flashing. I'm glad it helped you find me. We lantern sharks use our lights to find each other.
Fascinating.
Well, I've never seen a shark as small as you.
Everybody says that. Oh, this shell on my back is really bugging me.
We can help with that. Well, not me, but our medic. He's called Peso.
Peso? He's my pal. Where is he?
Well, I'm afraid he's out there. Somewhere. We've got to find him.
I can see pretty well in the dark, so I can help look for him. Oh, it's getting hard for me to swim with this shell.
Don't worry. I can carry you.
Okay.
See anything? Look! Something's flashing. Hello? Over here.
This way, matey. Oh, they can't see us. If only we had a flashing light.
That's it. We do.
Huh? Now that's what I call a bright idea.
Oh, I hope they see us.
Hi, it's working.
Peso? Kwazii? Is that you?
You found us.
Hola, Peso.
And you found the little shark.
Well, shiver me whiskers. It is a tiny shark.
Let's get you fixed up.
What kind of tiny creature are you anyway, matey? I am a dwarf lantern shark, and I know I'm little, but I am still a shark. Oh,
There. Good as new.
thanks, Peso. I sure am glad we found each other.
Octonauts, to the launch bay.
Octonauts, our seahorse friend Janice is lost in the storm. We're going out to save her.
Guppy's all powered up and ready to go, Cap.
Peso, Kwazii, into the guppy.
Yow!
Tweak, open the octohatch.
Right away, Cap.
Hold on, Octonauts. This could get bumpy.
Yeah! 'Tis a rough one, mateys! Yow!
Flappity flippers. You're enjoying this, aren't you, Kwazii?
Aye! There be nothing like an ocean storm to make a pirate feel alive!
Keep your eyes peeled for Janice.
Don't see her anywhere.
There she be! Holding on by her tail!
I'll get as close to her as I can. And then Kwazii, you... Kwazii?
Yow! I'm coming, me hearty! Gotcha!
I'll get the water tank ready for Janice, Captain.
Good thinking, Peso.
Thanks for saving me.
How'd you get dragged out into this storm, matey?
The water just swept me away. Seahorses aren't very good swimmers. We pretty much go where the water takes us.
You can come back to the Octopod and rest until the storm is over.
But we need to find Sunny. The water pulled him away too, and I'm really worried. He's about to have our babies.
In that case, we'd best find him before he... What did you say?
Sunny is about to give birth to our babies. I only hope he's okay.
But daddies don't have babies. Mums do. I mean, don't they?
Not when you're a seahorse.
Daddy seahorses carry babies in a special pouch until they're ready to be born.
Well, I'll be a sea monkey's uncle.
Janice, on my honor as an Octonaut, we'll find Sunny and make sure he's safe and sound. Barnacles to Shellington and Dashy.
Here, Captain.
Go ahead, Captain.
We need to find out which way the storm is headed and fast, because a seahorse has been swept along with it.
Ah, sir. Leave it to us.
Got it! Captain, the storm is moving over the reef and then past some big rock formations.
We'll send you a map of it right now.
Good work, Octonauts. We'll search the reef first.
It's no use. I can't make it.
괜찮은 거니?
¿Estás bien?
아니요, 난 망했어요. 날지 못하는 날치가 돼버렸다고요. 제발 잡아먹지 마요.
먹을 거 없어. 널 먹을 생각은 없으니까.
이 테일핀 꼬리가 아까 바위에 부딪히면서 상처를 입었나 봐요.
We
그
know someone who
문제라면
can help
우리가
you.
도와주지.
Why
우리와
don't you come
함께
back to the
옥토포드로 가는 게
Octopus
어때?
캡틴,
탐험 있기는 안 찾고요.
맞아요. 당장 날씨를 잡아 빼셔야죠.
하지만
Agree.
도움이 필요한 친구를 돕는 게 먼저야. 먼저 옥토포드에 알려야겠고.
Kwazii,
곧 소경보를 올리거라.
Octonauts,
Octonautas, 전원 옥토의 치로.
Peso, we brought
상처
back a
입은 날
flying
치료해
fish
줄
who
수
needs your help.
당연하죠, 대장. 난 옥토넛 고급대원 페이소야. 어디가 아픈지 말해볼래?
오리지널이가
붕대를 감아야겠네. 다 됐어.
벌써 다 나은 기분이야.
상처가 다 나을 때까지 더 쉬도록 해.
알았어. 고마워.
다 됐어요. 곧 예전처럼 멋지게 날 수 있을 거예요.
이제야 알겠군. 그날 밤 중조로께서 오신 게 바로 날치였던 것이야. 당장 찢을 곳을 채워야겠어.
교수님, 실은 탐험일지를 잃어버렸어요.
잃어버렸다고? 그걸 어쩌다?
날씨대가 갑자기 기어올라서 놀라는 사이에 그만 정말 눈 깜짝할 사이에 낚아채서 가버리고 뭐예요. 하지만 끈을 찾아드릴게요. 어느새 명예를 걸고 맹세해요.
어떻게? 이번엔 너무 놀라는 바람에 놓쳤지만 따라잡을 수 있는 방법이 있거든요. 우리도 물 밖으로 튀어올라서 날치들처럼 나는 거지.
하지만 대장, 우리가 날치도 아니고 어떻게 날아요?
Tweak?
문제 없어요, 대장. 마침 날치가 여기 있으니까 어떻게 나는지 배우면 못할까봐 놀라죠 뭐.
제일 처음은 물 밖으로 튀어오르는 건데 그러려면 엄청나게 빠른 속도로 헤엄쳐야 해요.
그러면 이 과지한테 맞게 드시라고.
기다려! 그 다음도 두고 가야지!
누가 말이야?
이제 다시 내려올 거야.
멋지게 날씬했어.
This is a type of animal called a sea cucumber.
Ooh, you really are slippery. So you think my patient is some sort of sea cucumber?
Snot sea cucumber, actually.
Oh, it's not a sea cucumber.
Yes, it is a sea cucumber. Snot, to be exact.
Dr. Shellington, either it is a sea cucumber or it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
No, not. It's not. It's snot. Snot. You see how it's covered in slippery, slimy snot? Being covered in slimy snot makes it easy to slip away from anything that tries to catch it. And that's why it's called a snot sea cucumber.
Oh, snot sea cucumber.
No, I mean, yes, I think.
It's okay, little Slippy. It doesn't look too bad. I'll just bandage you up and you'll be as good as new. Please hold still, or I won't be able to... No! Come here now. Oh. Whoa! Whoa! Oops! Whoa! Slippy? Slippy, are you under here? Hello? Slippy, where are you? A trail of slimy snot. Injured snot sea cucumber on the loose. Injured snot sea cucumber on the loose.
That's not good, Captain. A snot sea cucumber needs water to breathe. She can't be out of the water for too long.
All Octonaut hands on deck. Injured snot sea cucumber on the loose.
And her name is Slippy.
Avast, you slimy critter! Come to Kwazii!
All fixed. And faster than you can say bunch of munchy crunchy carrots.
Now, our snot sea cucumber was last seen sliding into an octo chute.
Please, I can help you feel better. I'm a medic. I help any creature who is hurt or sick.
Really?
Yes. Oh my, your eyes glow in the dark.
Those aren't my eyes. Those are just a couple of lights I have on the top of my head. I can turn them off when I want to.
Oh. So those are your eyes?
Well, it helps to have big eyes when you need to see in the dark. Ow!
Where does it hurt?
It's one of my spikes. Ow! Ow!
Spikes? I don't see any spikes. Just like the vampire squid.
It feels like it's near the top. See it?
I see it. It looks like it's poking you.
Ow! So, do you think you can help me?
Yes. I have just the thing to make it as good as new.
What are you going to do with those things?
They're just tweezers. I'll use them to straighten out the spike.
Oh, no, it'll hurt even more.
I promise I'll be very gentle.
Promise?
Promise. Huh?
Peso!
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Never better. Are you all right?
I think I was just slimed by the vampire squid.
The vampire squid? Avast! A trail of slime. Stand back. I'll go after him.
Wait, he's hurt. He needs our help.
Kwazii? Kwazii, are you okay?
Kwazii, can you hear me? There's no answer, Tweak. I need to go after them.
I'll get the Gup D ready, Cap.
What's that?
That's the vampire squid.
Yow!
Stay back. He's hurt. He's easily frightened, so please, follow me and stay quiet and calm.
All right, matey. But I'm ready to pounce if I have to.
Don't be afraid. No surprises this time.
Promise?
Promise.
Peso! Kwazii! Are you two all right? Octonauts, our mission is to lead the belugas back to open water where there's no ice. But we need something that can cut a path through the ice so that they can breathe along the way.
Yeah, what about the sonic slicers?
They're too slow. We need to act fast before the beluga's breathing hole freezes over.
I
Okay, Tweak. Let's see if your icebreaker attachment works.
The ice isn't breaking.
Pack ice is really thick. It takes a lot to break it.
Yes! Way to go!
Yeah! Shiver me whiskers! You did it!
Open water. Now, if I can just get those belugas to follow me. Belugas, this path will lead you to open waters.
Have to stay near the hole where it's safe and quiet.
Belugas, please follow me before the ice freezes over.
Oh no.
Oh dear, this is not good at all.
The belugas don't seem to want to leave their breathing hole.
If only they would follow Captain Barnacles.
I've got it! Fish biscuits!
What's your plan, Kwazii?
Well, I reckon these belugas must be getting pretty hungry by now. So I brought them a little fish biscuit snack, courtesy of Tunic. Belugas, follow me! It's fish biscuit feast time! Yeah!
Yes, it's working!
Now shiver me whiskers. Those little fishies think this is food for them. Go away. Go on. Go. Leave it alone. Belugas, follow me. It's dinner time.
Too many scary noises. Have to stay by the hole where it's safe.
Go through the rock archway and to your right.
Captain, what are we chasing?
The Octo Compass. It's moving again.
The monster of Creepy Cove must have grabbed it.
All right, Dashi. Now which way do we go?
The Octocompass has stopped moving, Captain. It has to be somewhere very close by.
Understood, Dashi. Barnacles out.
Yeah, that scurvy monster is hiding in this kelp with your Octo Compass.
Well, I don't know if a monster took it, but one thing's for sure. My Octo Compass is somewhere in this kelp, and we've got to find it.
I'll search this way.
I'll search that way.
And I'll take the middle.
That rock, was it there before? Rocks can't move all by themselves. That's silly. Hey! Hey! Okay, now that rock looks just like an ordinary rock, and ordinary rocks don't sneak around. And so, to prove to myself that there's nothing to be afraid of, I'll just sit right down on this ordinary old rock and... Flappity flippers!
What is it, me hearty?
Stop that rock!
Huh? Oh, that's no rock!
It's the monster of Creepy Cove!
And it has the captain's Octo Compass!
Kwazii? Peso? What happened?
We saw the monster. First, it looked like a rock.
And then it made itself huge!
And then it turned green and disappeared.
Aye, and it's got your Octo Compass!
Dashi to Captain Barnacles. The Octocompass is moving into a small cave on the other side of the kelp.
Thanks, Dashi. Octonauts, let's get to that cave.
Ready?
Yow! Ah, I reckon the monster wants to trap us inside this cave, Captain.
Well, I don't see any monsters, but I do see my octocompass.
The monster!
Shiver me whiskers! Another monster!
What?
The real one!
Gotcha!
Don't worry, we won't hurt you.
So you're the monster of Creepy Cove?
No, I'm not a monster. I'm just a cuttlefish.
A cuttlefish? Then how do you explain the fact that you changed your size and your shape and your colour?
That's what we cuttlefish do, to protect ourselves so other animals can't hurt us. I can make myself disappear.
Whoa!
See? I look just like a rock.
Ooh.
Oh, my tentacle. It hurts.
I help any creature who is sick or hurt.
Let's get this off first.
You need a bandage. There. Good as new.
Thanks.
Lean on me, matey. Now let's get you out of here.
Shellington to Captain Barnacles.
Go ahead, Shellington.
Captain, time is running out. The volcano will erupt in the next 5 minutes.
Got it, Shellington. Let's do one last check and make sure everyone's out. Meet back at the Gup A in 3 minutes.
Yes, Captain.
Captain Barnacles to Kwazii. Is everyone out of your area?
Aye, Captain. All clear. Whoa!
Get back to the Gup as fast as you can. Peso, is your area clear?
Yes, Captain. Oh no, they're still here. It's Bob, Bob and Bob. Captain, there are 3 blobfish right over the volcano.
We're on our way, Peso. Come on, Kwazii.
Oh, I'm coming for you, Bob. And Bob, but you're so far away.
Bob!
Peso!
We have to get you and your brothers out of here.
Oh, I thought I could do it by myself, but the truth is, I have no muscles. I'm all jiggly like a jelly. I can barely move.
Don't worry, we're here to help.
Shellington to Captain. You should get out of there now.
We're on our way. Peso, you take Bob. Kwazii, you take Bob.
Oh, but what about Bob?
Bob's with me. Octonauts, let's do this.
Oh, tickle, tickle, here. That tickles. Ooh, ooh.
Let's go. Good work, Octonauts.
Yes, sirree, Bob and Bob. It's a good thing the Octonauts got us out of there.
I sure am glad to see you both.
I would visit more often, but it's just so hard for us blobfish to travel.
But look at us now. We're all on holiday together. Hey, thanks, Peso.
No bloblin.
Well, Kwazii, do you think it's Calico Jack's ship? That's got to be a carving of your grandfather. He even looks like you.
Let's go inside. Yow!
Hold on, Kwazii.
Huh?
This may have been a pirate ship once, but now she's home to hundreds of plants and animals. So, Octonauts, be extra careful. We don't want to disturb anything.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Have you got that, Kwazii? Kwazii?
I wonder where that spyglass might be. Chow! Spiky sea urchins. Chow! Huh? A little seaweed isn't going to keep me from that spyglass. Shiver me whiskers! Me grandfather's treasure chest! I just know that spyglass is inside. The spyglass.
Kwazii, what happened?
I found the spyglass, but before I could grab it, I got slimed.
Who goes there? We may not be able to see, but we can still smell you and hear you, dagnabbit.
Uh-oh. It looks like this is slime eel territory.
Get off our property or I'll slime you again.
Sorry, Kwazii. We've got to go.
One.
But what about the spyglass?
Just leave it, Kwazii.
Two.
No, it was me grandfather's, and it should be mine.
But Kwazii...
Three. Okay, boys, let him have it.
Give me 2 seconds, and I promise I'll be...
And then we ran in and Kwazii was covered all over with this disgusting slime.
Fascinating. A single slime eel can produce a bucket of slime in no time at all.
Tell me about it.
That's the slime eel's way of protecting itself and its home, especially since it can't see.